We've been using Epicor LumberTrack since about 2007, and it's really helped to streamline all of our operations by consolidating all of our information in one central area. Everybody is tied into the same set of data and the same information. We can see in real time what is being worked on and where, what schedules are for different parts of the business. We can see sales orders as they're being written up. Everything is done very much in real time. It was the biggest problem with our older system was that everything was done by paper. Having everything, centrally located and all in a well-organized database allows us to pull whatever information we want when we need it. We also deal with a very variable product. The same product from one vendor is often vastly different from the exact same product and grade from a different vendor. So everything that we receive, we grade as it comes in from the vendor. We can rank our suppliers based on how much of not just of the top grade lumber, but the top grade within the top grade of lumber they're providing us with. So we can, throughout the years, we can go back and look at the performance of any one supplier over time. On the millwork side of the business, it's really helped us grow that side of the business because typically millwork is a specific size. You're not just dealing with random width lumber like the lumber side of the business is. On the millwork side, you want a large quantity of one width or one thickness or one length, and so you can drill into the inventory and be able to say with confidence whether or not you have the lumber to fulfill that commitment. On the molding side of things, when we build the tallies, it used to be done by hand, and so the operator is watching the piece of millwork come out of the molder and then handwriting the footage and then having to stop production periodically to add it all up and see, are we getting close to the footage that we need on the job. Now the operator actually punches in the tally and builds it in the system as he goes, and so he can immediately see what footage he's at as he's running. It's eliminated hours worth of work. Oftentimes that work that it eliminates ends up opening up that person to do other more important jobs. We have a lot more insight into what's moving and what's not moving, and we can target certain products that we see slowing down, so it's really helped us in managing the levels of different products that we keep in inventory. LumberTrack has certainly empowered our salesmen to spend more time selling and less time making phone calls, trying to track down orders, less time digging through inventory or physically walking out to our yard to look at inventory. When they can bring it up on the LumberTrack system, they can know exactly what's there, and they don't have to send an employee out to run around the yard and make sure it truly is there. In the LumberTrack system, it's really helped us grow that side of the business. We take a lot of pride in our ability to come through on what we commit to.